Now it's time for us to build your VA brand. Okay, so I created here 3 steps on how are we going to start building your VA brand. Let's now go to step 1. So step 1 is I would like you to choose your VA branding name. So think of a simple but professional name that represents you as a VA. So this is what clients will see. So make sure it sounds credible and easy to remember. So I already have like examples here. So number 1 says here VA Jane. So it's simple and professional. And at the same time, we already um incorporated the keyword VA. So ano siya, searchable siya. Madali siyang, basta may mag-search ng VA, possible na mahanap din yung profile mo. Yan. And then number 2 is Savvy VA Solution. So more business like siya. And then number 3 is the organized VA. So it seems here that you're showcasing one of your skills, and that is organizing. And at the same time, you are telling then the client that you are a VA, or your target audience, you're a VA. So that's good. And then number 4 naman is digital VA kit. So it's somehow it sounds tech savvy and modern. So yeah, you could think of a branding name for you. And then pro tip, avoid using random nicknames or numbers. Ayan, nakalagay na dun yung example dyan, like QTVA 123. So of course you want to look like a pro, not like like gamer tag, something yan. So that represents you. That represents you guys. And then after you think of your brand name, let's now go to step number 2. I would like you guys to create, if you don't have one right now, want you to create a professional Gmail and Google account. So, I would recommend na, ang pangalan niya is yung maiisip niya ng brand name. Like, kunyari with remotely thriving at gmail.com. Yan. Why? So, yan yung magiging work email mo para i-separate mo siya with your personal ones. Para alam mo na pag may email na dadating doon or may isi-send ka, alam mo that that is all about your virtual assistant career. And number 2, of course, it looks more professional when communicating with clients. And then, um, kaya nagpagawa ako nito because I would recommend, andito na lahat ng mga tools na gagamitin niyo, dyan yun na siya i-integrate. So, it give you access to the VA tools like the Google Drive, the Calendly, the Calendar, and then the Google Meet or yung Zoom nyo. Lahat dyan. Yan na yung gagamitin yung pang sign up para nakasync na lahat sa iisa na lang. And then, the last one is, yeah, yan. I connect your VA tools. So, your Google account will now serve as like the hub where you could connect all your important VE tools like the Zoom, the Canva, Notion. Notion is a project management tool. Slack is a communication tool and more. So we'll cover these tools, by the way, in detail in our module 2. So don't worry about it and stay tuned. So that's it.